Hello, I'm Manny, and this is Green and Free. Are you tired of the old and worn out plastic cover on your E-trike? Perhaps you're not a fan of the commercially available cover either. I found myself in a similar situation when I changed my E-trike's appearance, and the original cover no longer fit. Rather than waiting for a professional cover maker, I decided to take matters into my own hands, embracing the DIY spirit of Green and Free. After some searching online, I purchased a 6 by 6 feet army green silicone canvas and skillfully cut it to 6 by 3 feet, perfectly fitting the passenger section of my E-trike. To secure the canvas to the E-trike, I used thick tie wraps and created holes with a hole eyelet puncher, also purchased online. The lower holes were tied to the E-trike using a paracord army green rope, ensuring a sturdy connection. Though it took me the entire summer to work on the other half of the cover, the arrival of the first May rain served as a reminder to prepare for heavy rainfall. A friend wisely pointed out that we would be soaked if caught in the rain without proper cover. For the other half of the cover, replacing the plastic, I purchased two 2 by 3 feet 3 millimeter clear acrylic sheets. To affix them to the sides of the E-trike, I got a flat bar and used a 3-inch cabinet door hinge to rivet them securely. To ensure the plastic sheets stay in place during rides and avoid any annoying banging, I found a practical beetle-shaped lock that can be easily opened or closed with a press. The army green color not only looks sleek with black but also commands a strong presence on the road, making my E-trike appear like a respectable vehicle. To safeguard both the passengers and the plastic sheets, I added rubber edge guard strips and convenient handles for easy handling. The result? Not only does my E-trike look fantastic with this new DIY cover, but it also exudes a sense of decency and security. If you're feeling inspired to create your own DIY e-bike or e-trike cover alternative, I've included the links to the materials I purchased online. Please consider liking and sharing the video if you enjoyed my innovative project. Thank you for tuning in to Green and Free. Until next time.